Jai English, English learning channel. Come here, यहाँ आओ. Come here. Go there, त्यहाँ जाओ. Go there. Come in, भित्र आओ. Come in. Go out, बाहिर जाओ. Go out. Come, आओ. Come. Go, जाओ. Go. Please come. कृपया आउनुहोस्. Please come. Please go. कृपया जानुहोस्. Please go. Do come. अवश्य आउनुहोस्. Do come. Do come. अवश्य आउनुहोस्. Do come. Do go. Do go. अवश्य जानुहोस्. Do go. Come fast. छिटो आओ. Come fast. Go fast. छिटो जाओ. Go fast. Come slowly. Come slowly. बिस्तारै आओ. Come slowly. Go slowly. बिस्तारै जाओ. Go slowly. Come immediately. तुरुन्तै आओ. Come immediately. Go immediately. तुरुन्तै जाओ. Go immediately. Come up or come upstairs. माथिल्लो तल्लामा आओ. Come up or come upstairs. Go down. तल जाओ. Go down. Come alone. एक्लै आओ. Come alone. Don't come alone. Don't come alone. एक्लै नआओ. Don't come alone. Don't go alone. Don't go alone. एक्लै नजाओ. Don't go alone. Go with your brother. Go with your brother. आफ्नो भाइसँग जाओ. Go with your brother. Come to me. Come to me. म कहाँ आओ. Come to me. Don't come to me. म कहाँ नआओ. Don't come to me. Go to your teacher. Go to your teacher. आफ्नो शिक्षक कहाँ जाओ. Go to your teacher. Don't go anywhere. कतै नजाओ. Don't go anywhere. Come ahead. अगाडि आओ. Come ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. अगाडि जाओ. अगाडि जाऊ वा अगाडि बढ. Go ahead. Come right now. अहिल्यै आऊ. Come right now. Go right now. अहिल्यै जाऊ. अहिल्यै जाऊ. Go right now. Go away from here. Go away from here. यहाँबाट गइहाल. यहाँबाट गइहाल. Go away from here. Come straight ahead. सिधा अगाडि आऊ. सिधा अगाडि आऊ. Come straight ahead. Go right back. ठिक पछाडि जाऊ. Go right back. Come now. अब आऊ. Come now. अब आऊ. Go now. अब जाऊ. Go now. Come near. Come near. नजिक आओ. नजिक आओ. Come near. Go near to her. Go near to her. उनको नजिक जाओ. उनको नजिक जाओ. Go near to her. Come next to me. or come beside me. मेरो छेउमा आओ. मेरो छेउमा आओ. Come next to me. or come beside me. Come home. Come home. घर आओ. Come home. Go to office. Go to office. Office जाओ. Go to office. Come left. बायां आओ. Come left. Go east. पूर्व जाओ. Go east. Don't go west. Don't go west. पश्चिम न जाओ. पश्चिम न जाओ. Don't go west. Let's go shopping. किनमेल गर्न जाऊ. किनमेल गर्न जाऊ. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's not go cycling. Let's not go cycling. साइकल चलाउन नजाऊ. साइकल चलाउन नजाऊ. Let's not go cycling. Let's go to market. Let's go to market. बाजार जाऊ. बाजार जाऊ. Let's go to market. Let's not go swimming. Let's not go swimming. or let's not go to swim. पौडी खेल्न नजाऊ. पौडी खेल्न नजाऊ. Let's not go to swim. or let's not go swimming. Sit down. बस. Sit down. Stand up. Uber. Stand up. Do buy this. Do buy this. यो अवश्य किन्नुस्. यो अवश्य किन्नुस्. Do buy this. Don't buy that. Don't buy that. त्यो नकिन. त्यो नकिन. Don't buy that. Stop talking. Stop talking. कुराकानी बन्द गर. कुराकानी बन्द गर. Stop talking. Start doing work. Start doing work. काम गर्न सुरु गर. Start doing work.